to show you guys how to fix a crack in your tub. Porcelain, marine weld, that's what we're using, JB Weld, marine weld. Pick this up at any big box store for about $5 or $6. And you get a huge tube of it. Awesome, easy to use. Let's do this. You get a plastic tub, fiberglass enforced. They make JB Weld, marine weld. So it's a 2-part compartment. This is about $6. You're gonna mix it up, put it in a little bowl, and then you gotta get artistic. I got a popsicle stick here. I'm gonna smooth it out, let it dry, and that's it. You're good to go. Show you guys how this works. Unscrew the cap. I'm holding this camera with one hand, so bear with me. I'm gonna take this, squirt my JB Weld in here. Just a little bit. You don't need too much. That's a little hole right there. And then you're gonna mix it for about 20 or 30 seconds. Don't quote me on that. Read the instructions, okay? Can't teach you guys everything. It does say on the front 5 minutes, but I believe that's 5 minutes you got to use it. Here we go. Got it all mixed up. I'm gonna place it in the crack. Got it on the tip of my popsicle stick. And we're going over here to your crack. Shove it in the crack and get artistic. But it's white, so you really don't have to be that artistic, as long as you get it flat. I don't think the stuff sands pretty good though. I actually had to set the phone down because I couldn't do it with one hand on the camera and one hand there, but I mixed it for about 45 seconds, I'd say. This is looking really good. And when this stuff dries, you're good to go. Ain't no water getting past that. All right, we got that all patched up. And usually what I'll do is take a razor blade, and this way I'm able to clean it off, get those straight lines that are needed to make it look like this was never there. This stuff's awesome. You're gonna thank me for this one. It's that easy to use, you can't mess this up. Even if you're an idiot, I promise you, you will not be an idiot after you do this. If this video helped you out in any way whatsoever, just give me a thumbs up, that's all I ask. You don't gotta subscribe to me. But thanks for watching. See ya, go fix that crack.